Thank you for joining me. My name is Tolu Adeshola from Royalty Stores. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if this is your first time, come on, you're seeing this face. Join the family. In this family, we talk about travels, all the places Nigerian passport holders can go to, how to get the visas, the DIY way in which you can also get visa. If you are planning to visit Egypt this season, come and log with me. Okay, so Egypt's visa are of two types. Okay, let me say three types. I'm going to be giving you the different types and how you can get those visa. The first type is visa on arrival for people that have other countries visa. Example, if you have an existing UK, an existing Schengen country visa, or Canada, or all those A-list countries, then you qualify for this type of visa. That means all you need to do is to get on that plane. Uh, when you get to the airport, buy the sticker, which is $25, paste it on your passport, and you'll be allowed in. That is, if you have like a resident of all those countries. That's one part. The second part is if you've had those visas in the past, like maybe it's expired or something, and maybe you want a sticker visa from your home countries. You don't want to go through the hassle of waiting for the visa on arrival, and you want your visa from Nigeria straight away. Then you qualify for that sticker visa from Nigeria. How do you now get the visa? You get a visa by submitting your passport and other documents. The regular documents we submit, like passport photo, international passport, um, bank statement, 6 months bank statement, the reasons for your travel, what you do presently, that's proof of work, then proof of fund, the common documents you need. Then we submit at the visa place. The third type of the visa, the one that I am actually very excited for and is actually more open to everyone, is the visa on arrival. That means visa on arrival. I know you will say visa on arrival means when I get there, I get the visa. But something must have been pre-done for you before you get there. That means there must have been a registration for you before you get there. They would have prepared the ground for you. So what do you need for this kind of visa? All you need is your international passport. Why do you need your international passport? You will be sending your international passport to us, and we'll be sending it to Egypt for them to pre-do your visa for you, the arrangement of the visa. This type of visa comes out in like 7 to 10 working days. It comes out in 7 to 10 working days, and you also need your ticket. Why do you need a ticket? You need a valid ticket for this type of visa. You're going to be sending your ticket that will be used for your OK to board. So what is OK to board? OK to board is like an email that will be sent to the airline you are traveling with and to you yourself, so that you can show it when you are traveling. In Nigeria, they will ask you for that OK to board and your yellow card. Those are the two documents that you'll be asked from if you are traveling from Nigeria. So you get that email. It will have list of people traveling that day and the different airlines they are coming with. I recommend Egypt Air for you if you are going to Egypt. Is kind of like the cheapest, and it's not going to waste your time. I know they bring like the oldest they bring the oldest plane, but it doesn't matter. You could still actually get to that Egypt with that plane. The most important is that the plane won't fall and you won't have a crash. But nothing, anything other than that, Egypt is preferable. You can even get something like a 900K or like a 1 million something for your flight. So in as much as you have that OK to board, you'll be allowed to board from Lagos or from Abuja. And once you board and you get to the airport, you will also be buying that sticker, and somebody will be waiting there for you to ask you for your passport so that they could normalize your documents and grant you access to entry. So this kind of visa is actually very straightforward. You don't need so much document. Like I said before, the documents you need is just your passport, international passport, and the ticket. And the ticket is even towards when you are actually approved for the visa. Do we have do we have a decline in this kind of visa? On rare occasions, I've never seen anybody that has been denied this kind of visa. Most of the visas are given, even at the shortest period of time. So, will you be needing any kind of this visa? Why not join us in our office? Come to our office, 1B, Akiyoshiemi Street off Allen, Ikeja, or you can call us on our numbers. Our numbers will be showing right on the screen. If you want any information, any addition, any question, you can also ask in the comment section. Have a great day.